It's Wednesday, June 10th, 2020, and our venture begins for 42 miles.
See you double pulling it.
Oh yeah. Faster we move, the faster the breeze. We're into the nature preserve. I tell you, last night a book fell on my head. I only have my shelf to blame. You gonna speak?
Mile 4, 145. 2 hours in. Sweaty.
It's humid. Is Danny gonna speak?
Thirsty. Mile 4. Thirsty mile.
Thirsty mile?
Try and kick his ass. Or the back.
Danny's in the back.
That water looks very nice.
Mile 6 break. Well, technically it's like 6¼ miles. Found a campsite, drying clothes, eating sunflower seeds, and sleeping. Mile 8, and we are at this amazing, gorgeous, beautiful shelter house that was just made. Taking a look inside real quick. Beautiful job. This thing is amazing. But not where we're staying at tonight. We got 2 miles to Bear Lake where I did a water drop. We are down 1. He decided at mile 6 that he was gonna set up camp there, read a book, and then meet us at Lake Yellowwood tomorrow evening. We're at Bear Lake. It is getting windy, which is actually a blessing. It's been so humid and hot in the woods. So we're about 10 miles in our hike, and 3 miles more to Rockstead. 13.8 miles on a hot, humid day led us to Fox Den Shelter. It is just before 5 o'clock. And there is looks like a box there and a broom. Pack it in, pack it out. Little fire pit, really sweet. And a tired Jacob. June 11th, 7 a.m. Coyotes nearly ate Jacob, but he fought them off with a toothbrush. And so begins day 2. Less than 2 miles from Fox Den Shelter, we hit Carmel Ridge Road. There is a creek in the middle of those 2 points. We had a disastrous experience trying to filter water, but we do have enough, and we have hope, and we have road. We're at Plum Creek camping. This is the new shelter house. It's got a really sweet picnic table, rocks with a fire pit, and even has another fire pit. Danny's cooking us delicious steaks.
Yep, look at these steaks.
On our second night. And Jacob's gonna make beans.
There may be. Medium rare beans.
Medium rare beans. June 2020, day 3. And we're packing up camp. We cheated and had food and steak last night. It's not cheating. It's cheating. soda pop machines. Woo. You want to get a soda pop?
No. I'll wait till I can go get a large. Overindulge. Because I haven't had anything but water and chili lemonade.
Okay. Sweet bench. That's it. Thank you. There's our sign.